Hey everybody, how are you doing? Do you hate when something's given to you for free and then it stops working? Not because it was given to you, because it stops working. Here's a cell phone holder sitting the way I like it in the car, because when you're driving, you can see if the phone goes or doesn't go on. Over time, hot and cold and stuff, everything's fine. Let's just pretend there's a phone in here. There's no weight. But when you hit a bump, oh, I gotta move it up. I get hit a bump again. And the weight of the phone, forget about it, hun. So it has China'd out. Now, you say to yourself, yeah, so why don't you just, do this and do that? Well, what I'm going to do is loosen this. It's as tight as it could be. Oh, look at that, hun. So I'm going to loosen this without it falling out. Hopefully this nut stays. What's on this side is a little nipple, and what's on this side is two teeth. One on this piece and one on that piece. What happens is, over time, the teeth are very, very fine. They just don't have, they do not have the groove. So the very first thing I grabbed, I'm trying this for the first time, is this. I'm gonna put this right here. Sorry. What am I gonna do? I'm going to create these two pieces with a spacer to see if that makes it more tight like a toiga. Pardon. Right. It's tight like a tiger. Oh, there she goes. We kind of make it tight a little bit. Let's bring it up to where I think I would want it. That sounds about right. It's in the groove. You can feel it goes up and down in between the groove. Let's give it a yank. Let's tighten it. Okay. Let's see. Well, that worked. Look at that. I might have to, there you go. I might have to move it, but it's really ripping it out more than it was before. I'd like to show you, but I'm using the phone. I think that's a win. This naturally does that because it's hot, so it spins. It's okay. That's not the real problem here. Well, look at that, everybody. Just by creating a gap, whether it was metal, plastic, or rubber, even a toothpick, you tightened the throw. I don't fucking know what it's called. So here's a Desert West cell phone mount repair hack. Abafangul, stick it a solo, a fuck you, and a fuck you too. Okay, take it easy. Ciao.